Hi guys, so we're back for our last day of triangles and we're talking about the perimeter and area of a triangle. Okay, but let's talk about what a perimeter is in general. So a perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. Okay, and area is the total space enclosed, meaning inside the shape. Okay, so when we're talking about perimeter, it's the sum of all sides. So basically you're just adding each side of the triangle. Okay, the area is going to be, we have the formula A equals a half times the base times the height, or you can use 0.5, which is the same thing as a half, times B times H, okay, base and height. Or you do base times height and then you divide it by 2, okay? So you are allowed to use any of these that you prefer, okay? I am going to be using this one, okay, to show you guys. But these are all the same formula, just written different ways. Okay, so whichever way you feel like you want to do. Okay, so for the first one, we're talking about perimeter. Okay, let me zoom in just a bit for you guys. Okay, these are the together questions. So we're trying to find the perimeter and area for each. So perimeter and area. Okay, so for the perimeter, you're going to just add all three sides. So 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, when I do 3 plus 4 plus 5, I get 12. So 12 is my perimeter for that one. Now for area, I'm going to do 0.5 times my base, which is the bottom. Okay, so 4. And then times 3. So my base and my height. So I do that. And then in your calculator, you just do 0.5 times 4 times 3, just like that. So I get 6. So my area is 6. Okay, next one, we have 7, 9, and 6. So again, perimeter, you just add all of them. 7 plus 6 plus 9. Okay, when I add all of those together, I get 22. Okay, for area, again, pick whichever one you want. Okay, so I'll show you with this one now. Okay, so area is base, so this is our base, that's the bottom. This is our height. So we have base times height, so 7 times 6 divided by 2. Okay, so 7 times 6 is 42. Divided by 2, okay, is 21. Okay, so you can use it that way or that way. I prefer this way, but it's whatever you guys want. Okay, the next one, I have my perimeter. I'm just adding all sides, so 6 plus 8 plus 10. When I add all those up, I get 24. My area, 0.5 times my base, which is 8. My height is 6. So we have 8 times 6. Okay, I plug that into calculator, 0.5 times 8 times 6, and I get 24. So the area is 24 on that one. Okay, over here I have an equilateral triangle. That's why they're all 12. So my perimeter is equal to 12 plus 12 plus 12. Okay, when I add all those together, I get 36. Okay, now for area. Again, you can use this way, you can use this way, that way, or that way. I'm going to stick to the 0.5. Okay, times my base, which is 12. This time, okay, my height is inside, so H is 5. So I have times 12 times 5. Okay, so I do all of that together. Okay, 0.5 times 12 is 30. Times 5 is 30. So my area is 30 for that one. Okay, last two. Okay, so my perimeter is the outside of the triangle. So 4 plus 5 plus 5 I add all of those together and I get 14. My area is 0.5. My base is 4, so times 4. My height is 6. Okay, so the height is going to be inside for this one. Okay, so I do 0.5 times 4 times 6, and I get 12. Okay, last but not least over here, perimeter, add the outside. So 4 plus 18 plus 10. So the perimeter on this one is equal to 32. Okay, last but not least, the area of this one. Okay, base right here, height is 5. So 0.5 times 18 times 5. When I multiply all of those together, I get 45. So the area is 45. Okay, remember you can pause the video at any time, replay it as many times as you need, and email me with any questions.